Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan, Head of Fundamental and Technical Research from Kotak Securities. Globally, equity markets performed well on Friday, especially US markets, with a gain of 1.5% to 2% close higher. Singapore Nifty is trading 150 points higher, and there is relief from the dollar index, which is trading below the level of 108. It was around 109.25. From there now, all the way it is trading at 107.75. The best part is that in the US market, we saw a recovery and higher bottom formation, even though they have announced the inflation rate of 9.1%, which is positive. On the dismissal of 31,900, we can expect further more activity. Currently, Dow Jones is at 31,300. Nasdaq, which was around some 10,600 levels, 10,550 levels. As compared to that, it has formed a higher bottom at 11,000, and on the dismissal of 11,700, there also we can expect bullishness. So broadly, on the formation of higher bottom, we are seeing some enthusiasm in the US markets, and also we are seeing some specific activity in almost all the equity markets globally. Asian markets are trading higher. Singapore Nifty, as we mentioned, trading 150 points higher. And technically, if we go through with our markets, then there on Friday we saw inside body formation, which is clearly suggesting us that the bulls are ready to take the charge of the market. We believe that now the next level of 16,070 would act as major resistance. In fact, it is going to open about the same. So above 16,070, we can expect 16,200, where the market is having next major hurdle, and beyond that 16,275 would be the next level to watch out for. Around 16,200 we are expecting some profit taking, as the markets may find some resistance close to those levels, and on the dismissal of 16,275 we can expect a rally towards the levels of 16,400 or maybe 16,650, which was the previous highest level for the market. Broadly, we are of the view that in case if there is any correction, then we should look for adding some long positions, but around 16,200 we need to be careful. Between 16,200 to 16,275 we need to reduce some weak long positions, and on the downside 16,100, 16,060 would be the major support. Between those levels we should look for adding some long positions. For the Bank Nifty, here also 35,000 going to act as major resistance. Above that 35,300, 35,550 would be the major resistance, and above that the chances of hitting 36,000 would turn bright. So the important level is 35,550 to cross, but on immediate basis 35,300 is the level which is corresponding to the levels of 16,200 on Nifty. So there we need to be careful. Finally, if we talk about some sectors, then we are expecting activity in financials as well as in consumption related stocks. Also, we need to focus on few metal companies, as JSPL announced numbers better than expectations. Also, if we go through with the auto index, then there also we saw one more round of buying, and stocks like Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland close at the highest point of the day. So there also we are expecting further more activity. Friends, broadly we are of the view that we should be buyer if there is any correction, and on the higher side we need to be little bit careful till the market is not crossing 16,275. That's all from my side. If you think it is worth sharing or retweeting, please do so. Clicking the like button gives other followers the confidence to read the content. Thank you all for listening me. and have a nice day to all of you.